Hi, my name's Jim Rio at Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfort, the #1 Chevy dealership in Illinois. I'm sitting in a brand new 2018 Equinox, and I'm just going over some things that I would show to my customers. Let's say you want to pair up a phone. I know sometimes people get intimidated, especially if you're not real technology savvy, but it's not really that hard. When you're sitting with a customer, first thing you're going to do is just ask them to go into their phone, go to Bluetooth, and turn it on. When they go to Bluetooth, you're going to go into settings. You're going to arrow down. You'll see Bluetooth. It's going to say device management. Okay, and then it's going to ask you to pair the phone. At the same time, you're going to get a little prompt. You'll hit pair and you'll connect. Once you connect and it's on, you can go into the phone and the phone will show your contacts. I'm not actually pairing a phone, but just to give you an idea, it will give you your contacts. Now, one of the nice things you have here is you have a voice prompt. So what that keeps you doing is, if let's say you want to call somebody, for an example, my wife's name is Georgianne, but I call her Jidge. If I ever in my phone contacts as Jidge, that's the way I would have to ask. But I could press this button here and it would give me a prompt, and I would say call Jidge, and they would say calling Jidge, and you hear the prompt. And then you don't have to take your eyes off. You don't have to look over here. You can do that. If the phone rings, you can answer it right here. If you want to hang up, you can hang up here. But just to give you an idea, let's say you're listening to the radio and you want to change a channel. I could press the prompt.
Say a command or say help.
FM 98.3.
Tune to 98.3 FM. Is that correct?
Correct.
Tuning.
So all you have to do is, when you hear the prompts, you got to wait till you hear the beep when they ask you the question. And so, like, if I wanted to call somebody, that's all I would do. I would just press that, say calling Jidge, and it would do it that simple. So if I had a phone in my pocket, I'd pair it up, but I don't have one in my pocket here. If you happen to be in Frankfort, stop on in and ask for Jim.